Good morning, class. So now today class we are going to discuss about the three different kind of soil. Okay, so in our syllabus three different type of soils. One is a sandy soil, another one is a clay soil, and the third one is a loamy soil. Okay, so now when we are talking about the type of the soil, the first thing which should we know about the sandy soil, that sandy soil contain mainly sand having larger particle space. Okay, so yesterday we have done one activity, and in that activity you have seen that the sandy soil has a larger particles. Okay, and 90% sandy soil have a sand on it. If you will see, sandy soil contain a very little humus. Okay, so humus, you know that humus, it means when we are talking about the dead vegetation, okay, so the sandy soil contains a very little amount of humus. Now sandy soil, basically where you will find this sandy soil, so it basically we are finding in the sandy soil in the desert area and all. Okay, fourth, you can see that sandy soil has larger particle with larger space between them. So definitely if the sandy soil have a larger space between them, so definitely the rate of percolation will be higher in case of sandy soil. Okay, so now what is the disadvantage of sandy soil? That disadvantage of sandy soil is that it cannot hold much water. It is because the water gets drained out quickly through the larger space between its particles. So definitely because it is not holding water, so it is not good for the agricultural purposes. Sandy soil provides good aeration to the plant root and it can plot very easily. ठीक है, so definitely space ज़्यादा है तो aeration भी क्या होगा, most of the time aeration ज़्यादा होगा. Sandy soil is lesser fertile. The fertility of sandy soil can be increased by adding humus to it by adding manure. So if we want to increase the fertility rate of sandy soil, what do we need to do? We need to add a manure or the fertilizer in sandy soil. Okay. Okay, so now when we are talking about the clay soil क्या है? Clay soil is, as you know that clay soil contain a very little humus. Okay, clay soil has a very good holding water capacity due to its very small and tightly packed particles. So actually in a clay soil the particle size is very small, and if the particle size are very small, definitely these particles are very tightly bind to each other. Okay, and this clay soil has a very good water holding capacity. Now clay soil is heavy because it can hold more water than sandy soil. Definitely it will be because it is holding a lot of amount of water inside it. So definitely if you will see the weight of that both thing, then clay soil will be more more water and it will be heavy. So अगर if we are talking about the drain capacity, तो definitely sand में you know that sandy soil have a larger space and clay soil have a very limited space, so the water cannot easily percolate through that. Now next point is that due to the smallness of the pores, clay soil is not able to trap enough air for the roots of the plant. Okay, so this soil is not good for the agricultural purposes. Actually clay soil is compact and sticky, due to which its flowing of claying soil is quite difficult. Claying soil is rich in mineral which is good for the growth of plant. Clay soil is more fertile than the sandy soil. The fertility of clay soil can be improved. Okay, so actually the important thing is that when you are doing the comparison between sandy and clay soil, you should know that the particle size in the sandy soil it's more, and in the clay soil it is very less. Okay, so both the soil basically is not very good for the agricultural purposes. Like clay soil is good for the making statues and pottery items and all. ठीक है, sandy soil most of the time it is good for the construction work. Okay, rather than we can say the using in the agricultural purpose. Now when we are talking about the loamy soil is best soil for the agricultural purposes because it is it is actually medium in things in size and all. Okay, now when we are talking about the composition of loamy soil is a mixture of sand, clay and silt. Okay, so variety of things are available in it. Okay, when we are talking about the size, particle size in the loamy soil, so loamy soil is a mixture of a larger and small rock particles which impact in the desired properties. Okay, so definitely it has not a very large space, not a very small space, so moderate amount of space is there, so it is good. Loamy soil has the right water holding capacity for the growth of the plant. ठीक है, so जितना चाहिए that much water it can hold. Now the excess water can also be drained out through it easily. You have seen yesterday by the activity that loamy soil percolation rate is good rather than the clay soil. Loamy soil has also adequate air space between its particle to hold sufficient air needed to the plant's root. So definitely this loamy soil is best soil for the agricultural purposes, and it is easy to plow the soil because it is not very sticky, it's not very rough, so it is easily to plow and all. Loamy soil contains sufficient amount of humus. Humus, it means, as I already told you, the dead vegetation or the animals. Okay, so it has a good amount of humus layer, and humus, if the humus layer if it has a good amount of humus layer, so definitely it will increase the fertility rate of the loamy soil. Okay, so loamy soil is more fertile in comparison to the sandy soil and the clay soil. Okay, and if the soil contains greater proportion of big particle, it is called as sandy soil. It depends ki if it has a more amount of sand in it, so it will be also referred to be a sandy soil. ठीक है, so hope this is clear to you all what are the differences between the sandy soil and the loamy soil and the clay soil. Again, I'm reminding it to you, sandy soil has a very large particle inside it. Okay, and when we are talking about the clay soil has a very limited space between them. And when we are talking about the here you can say the difference between that. See, in the sandy soil the particle size is very large. Okay, and in the clay soil clay particles are very small. Loamy soil में जो composition होगी, it will be it has a sandy soil, clay soil and silt soil. Particle size, you can see that how much particle size is there. ठीक है, if you are talking about the space, then it will be maximum in the case of sandy soil and minimum in the case of clay soil. Same when you are talking about the air holding capacity, तो sandy soil में the air holding capacity is more, in clay soil it is less. When we are talking about the water holding capacity, so it will be maximum in the clay soil and minimum in the sandy soil. And when we are talking about the water percolation property, so it will be more in sandy soil and it is less in the clay soil. Okay, so hope all these points are very clear to you. You have to write the differences between the clay soil and sandy soil today in your classwork copy. This is the question in your NCERT book.